Scenario 3. Transport safety and security. In a city, the transport safety and security is the primary concern. There are 5 key functions in this smart city. Imagine you are driving a car on the street at night. The smart street light is turned on. It is controlled by IFTTT Cloud. It turns off in the morning. Second, here is a distance sensor installed in the car speed monitoring system. It detects the travelling speed of the cars. The speed is shown on the microbit OLED screen. It reminds the cars to slow down if they are nearly over speed. Third, there is a light sensor on the traffic road. If the light value is too low, it implies that there is a traffic jam. This microbit will send Wi-Fi message to another microbit nearby you. The traffic light turns from green to red to indicate there is a traffic jam in front of you, so you may change the path. Fourth, there is a smart defense system in your estate. The motion sensor detects that there is a stranger near your house. An email alert is sent through IFTTT. Finally, you come back to your house, you open the door using App Inventor 2. It sends out WAN command and the door is opened. You feel glad that this smart house door control is installed in your house.